Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you how to create custom Minecraft skins, and it works on all editions. So, first thing you're going to want to do is go to this website, which I'll have linked in the description, and then you just work through here. You can draw stuff, or I don't know what you draw there. So I'll just go through a basic lineup of the tools, or whatever. This is the paintbrush, you already saw that, it draws stuff. This is the color selector, where you can select different colors on the skin and get them. And then you can also do stuff like this. This is the fill, which is pretty self-explanatory. Move skin, I don't know what that's at. Oh wait, whatever. Increase brightness, decrease brightness, erase. I'll get to that in a little bit. Zoom in, zoom out, even though I don't know how necessary that is. Reset view, and there's undo, and redo. Now this stuff right here. So if you go right there, you can delete that part. So this is a pretty useful way to get these areas. And you just replace it, maybe do that. And like that. So yeah, the other way is to go right here, walk, hug, fly. Okay, I should probably put that stuff back. So yeah. And then this right here, this is a way you can make a second layer to your skin like that. And I believe this is what erase does. Yep, it does. And then if say you want to continue another skin that you've already made, so you hit upload, and you're gonna get the file of your skin. I'm just gonna get my normal skin. And I'm actually going to make a Christmas skin because I don't know about when you guys are watching this, but when I'm recording this, it's almost Christmas. It's December 8th. So I'm just going to make a little Santa Claus hat and make a long sleeve shirt, I guess. So yeah, I'm probably just going to spend the rest of this video building my skin. If you want to see that, then you can just keep watching. If not, well, just skip ahead from when I get to actually using the skins. And also, I think there is a way that you can make the skin go up above where it normally is, but I don't know how to do that, so I'm just gonna have to stick with me. This hat isn't gonna look quite as nice as it could. You know, it doesn't look too bad. Maybe if I just add some stuff on the top. And it's just yeah, that works. And by the way, only a very small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed, so remember to slap the subscribe button and all that stuff. I mean, all YouTubers say that, so why wouldn't I say it? Alright, so I think this is good. So when you're done with your skin, just hit download. You can see it's loading down here. Actually, I don't know if you can see on the video, but yeah, I believe it's downloading. Once it says open file, you can just click off, and actually if I go off this, I'm gonna stop recording, so just go on to Minecraft. I'm just gonna show you, okay, I'll explain this in a little bit, or in my next video. So you're gonna hit Profile, Edit Character, and like that. Then here you can get your skin, and you can rename it. So I'm gonna rename it to Christmas. And then you can just open it. And you're gonna want to select this one, and then boom, you have your skin. So if you're on Java Edition, just go to like the skins segment. I'm gonna see. Let me see if I can get there without my recording just stopping for whatever reason. Hang on.